And the Chinese government supported the people at home and ran necessary measures essential for normal life. There were lines of free nucleic acid tests in streets, campuses, and communities. Everyone could show his WeChat QR code and get the results less than 6 hours and display it as a reference in case needed. There are many events and things that impressed me during the city lockdown. The coherence and the cooperation of the people with the government is unique. It seems that there is a mutual understanding and trust between the people and the government which made both of them successful. The care of the party for the safety and needs of the people during these difficult times, and organizing help and free groceries for all the people, bring it door to door. There are key factors on the China's success of prevention and control measures. First, the right and challenging decision of the government. Second, people trust in the government and the party to follow the control measures in detail and help each other to do so. Third, the economic backbone of the country